Check out this special delivery I got from eBay today. A friend sent me a link to the auction for this rare vintage Acura ashtray made out of porcelain. So that will go in the display case. And I also got some other goodies. So as you remember, the Integra is missing a washer fluid bottle cap, and I have new clutch and brake pedal pads. I don't know if you knew this, but you can buy these brand new from the dealership, and they're about 12 bucks a pop. Ouch. But it's all about those details, right? This is a project. We're removing my Fast and the Furious aftermarket pedals. So they're not in that bad a shape because these have had those aftermarket covers on them for a long time, maybe most of the car's life, but I'm gonna replace them anyway, just because. Done. Perfect. Over there on the other side, you got my buddy Travis from Superior Detail here in Phoenix. One of our projects here is we're working on tearing out some of this aftermarket car audio wiring. So this looks like it's just got zip ties all the way through, and then it feeds through the firewall. This is a GSR update that's pretty insignificant to most people, but it's something that is part of my detail-oriented approach. Check out this scissor jack that was in the car. So completely rusted out, corroded all the way around. I just happened to have one that looks brand new. So I knew I kept this thing for a reason. Just something very small, but a nice upgrade. A bit of good news today. I ran over and picked up my new hatch struts. So this thing should finally hold itself up. Beautiful, check that out. So here's a huge opportunity for cleanup, and this is gonna start happening next week. The door is a disaster itself, but look at the leaves embedded in that track. Holy cow. And then here's where things get interesting. No spare tire, and just gross mud and buildup in this carpet and all throughout. I'm going at these wheels again one more time because they keep coming up with stuff. I have some lacquer thinner. I'm going deep into these corners here. You see how it had that stuff packed back in there? Comes up easily if you just got the right product. As you can tell, I'm successful. It is time for some Integra interior cleanup. Look how nasty these floor mats are. We're gonna go ahead and spray these down here at the car wash. Collecting parts for this old thing. Something that showed up today in the mail was a pair of the replacement rear lips. So kind of cheap stuff, but this can be painted to match, and I'll decide which direction to go with it here in the next couple weeks as far as the install process. I also received a couple of eBay treasures, including a replacement bezel here. Actually, this is the one I'm not going to use because it's missing the guide that positions the vent there. But I do have a new driver's side master window switch, so we can get that window down over there. Today is the day. The 99 GSR is getting some professional help. I'm teaming up with my friend Travis from Superior Detail, and he's going to go at it. This also strikes me as odd. I'm pretty sure the marker light here is supposed to be on with the headlights, and then this is the flasher. So maybe somebody can set me straight, but is this supposed to be lighting up when I have my headlight on? I think I figured out what's going on here. This had an aftermarket blue bulb in the corner piece. I'm gonna go see if I can find a replacement.